Hello everyone, if your avatar Frontiers of Pandora is not launching on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix avatar Frontiers of Pandora not launching on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go into your C drive, and then you're going to go into users, you're going to select your username here. After that, you're going to go into documents and then my games. Here you'll have this AFOP folder, you're going to open it up, and then you'll have this file D3D12 core. You're going to right click on it, click rename, and just add .old at the end of it. After that, you're going to open up your web browser, and then you're going to go on to these both links. I'm going to put both of these links into the description of the video. And now you're just going to download this VKD3D file from here, and then you're going to download the DXVK file from here. And once you're done downloading both of them, you're going to open both of these RAR files. And then you're just going to go into x64, extract both of these files into your AFOP folder, go into DXVK here, go into x64, extract all of these files into here, click replace if it asks you. And now you should be able to play Avatar Frontiers of Pandora, and you'll see that your game will load perfectly now. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.